careful. Yep. Whoa! Wow. Huh? What's wrong? Where did she go? Hey! Ugh, a little help here, please? Nobody hurts our friend! We're going in!
Hey! Get out of here!
Whoa!
Nice. Hope you're hungry.
Chopsticks? Huh? Oh no!
Yep, that's right. Come.
Shall we? Good thing I skipped breakfast.
Eat up, ladies.
I'm getting full. Yikes, that's a lot of noodles. I have an appetite left. Yeah, you do.
Shall we spice things up a bit? Ha-ha! How do you like that?
Oh, man. Huh? I hate spicy food! Spicy? Oh no! What the? Just keep eating! I'm trying! This is getting intense. Oh no, she's gonna blow!
Don't do it! Fire! Oh no, it's on me! Help!
Looks like we made it. Loser. That's right! These boots are mine! Cute, right? They look great! Quick, come on!
You came at a bad time. But you just crossed the line. You wanna get wild? Okay, I'll show you wild. Knocking you out like a lullaby. Hear that sound ringing in your mind?
Yeah! Yeah!
Better sit down for the show. 'Cause I'm gonna show you how it's done, done, done.
Time tricks, don't miss!
How it's done, done, done.
And the big applause!
Phew! We were incredible.
Yeah!
Okay, you can go in.
Yes! Finally!
Let's party!
Wow, I'm so ready to have some fun after all that.
Yum! Oh yeah, love choco pies. Only one left. Think fast. Got it first. Gimme! No way, it's mine! Huh? Ugh. Someone's at the door. Let's check it out. Come on, open it. Hello, girls. Anyone need a cat? Oh, what a cutie! Come here! No, I'm taking him! Back off! Not so fast. You'll have to pass a little challenge first. What's going on? Whoa! How do we end up here? Oh. Hey, kitty. If you want me to be your pet, you'll have to make me a cozy home. Huh? Wow! What a cute little house! So nice! It even matches my top. Adorable! And there's so much space in here. I love it! Cool, right? So what? Don't worry. I've got something for you too. What do you mean? Wow! You're a real wizard, kitty! Let's see. It's smaller, but still pretty cool. So, what do we do with it? Start decorating my place, of course. Okay, got it. Where do I start? I think I know. A little hint. I like soft things. Don't worry. I got you. First, let's grab a piece of this rug. And place it on the roof like this. Now cut here. Carefully. Perfect fit! So, ta-da! What? Oh. Actually looks nice. Told you! It's the softest, cutest roof ever! I've got an idea. These roses will do. But first, let's give them a little toast. Here. Alright, let's go. Don't try this at home. This is actually fun. Oh no! My flowers! Okay, that's enough. Can I take this? Nice! Ooh, smells bad. But looks awesome. Time for double-sided tape. Stick one piece here. And a few more, like this. Press down and peel the film carefully. Done! Now just rip off the rose's head. Ugh. Huh? Uh-oh, someone's gone crazy. Relax, I just need the petals. Stick one here and a few more. Cover the whole roof, row by row. Same on the other side. And done! Finally! Looks amazing, right? Wow, bravo! A black roof never goes out of style. And if it's made of rose petals, that's double cool. I'm sure Kitty will love it, right? You've done well. Here's a treat. This one for you. And this for you. What? That's it? Is this even human food or cat food? Time to eat some chocolate! Mmm, yummy! She's gonna eat the whole box? You said something? Nope, nothing. Maybe I should help her. Hey, that's mine! Give it back! Don't be greedy! Whoa! My chocolates! What did you do? Oops, my bad. Aw, don't cry. Oh, that might come in handy. Stop getting distracted. My house won't decorate itself. I've got an idea. Let's glue some pencil pieces together. Like this. Grab a few more and keep going. Make them into an arch. Perfect. Cool. Now attach it here. And the window arch is done. Add a couple more like this. See? That's how it's done. Wow, cool. So colorful. It looks great. I know. First, let's cut out these pieces. Carefully. Done. Let's test it. Looks like a real window. Nice! Hey, check this out! Nice! Fits perfectly, and that gold color looks awesome! Well done! I love looking out the window. Here's your reward. Yes! Thanks! High five! Well, let's see how things are going. Nah. Delicious. Hey girls, I can see in the dark, but I still need some light. Okay, these earrings should do. Stick a few on double-sided tape. And roll them together with a little light. Add some glitter. And the mini chandelier is done! Wow, it's so shiny! I like it, though I might not resist playing with it. Aw, that'll be cute. Let me snap a photo. Say cheese. Time to hang it. Attach it here, like that. Such a cutie. Oh wait, I need lights for the house too. Oh, maybe stars? Grab a few. So cool. They'll look perfect. Stick them on the wall like this. With these stars, the windows look even better. Something's missing. I know, the photos. Oh yeah, I'm a genius. Stick them here. Done. Now it's a real star gallery. Hey kitty, what do you think? Wow, impressive. You sure? This time, the prizes will be different. 2 hearts? Nice! Hey, that's not fair! Shh, quiet. Alright, let's keep decorating the cat house. Add some furniture. This'll be the living room. And here's a modern kitchen. Like that. Let's make it cozier. Place a nightstand and a chair here. And this will be the bathroom. With a washer and a toilet. Put that here. And done! Whew, it's getting chilly in here. Your house looks awesome! Thanks! Hope the judges like it. I hope you didn't forget my bed! Oh, right! No problem. Let's roll up this blanket. Fold like this, and put it together. There! Bed's ready. Let's put it here. Hey! Check out the kitty's bed! What bed? Look, I made it myself! Nice! But I'll just order online. Done! Now wait for the delivery. Cool! The boots are cute, but I just need the box. Here's the right place. Perfect! Looks cozy! Hey kitty, wanna try it out? Well, I don't mind. Oh yeah, this is comfy. Nice setup too. He likes it! Did you hear that? No way! Kitty, you haven't tried my house yet. Wanna come? No thanks. No offense. It's pretty, but nothing beats a box. Well, I guess I'll give your treats back. Not my thing. Yeah, I think Kitty likes them more anyway. I think I picked the right house. Aw, he's just the cutest.